Great, good day and welcome back everyone. Thank you for joining. I'm Tenisha Lovell and I will be showing you how to see your exam marks this semester. So you're going to go on to unb.ca. Once you're a student of the University of New Brunswick like myself, you're going on to UNB students, faculty and staff, my UNB portal, and then you go into e-services. After you've clicked e-services, right, you're going to go on to academic. Once you've clicked that, right, you want to see your exam marks, so you're clicking unofficial transcript, right? And these are the grades that you got for all of your courses. Great. And yeah, this is your unofficial transcript courses I'm doing this semester coming. So thank you guys for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.